There is a planet drifting through interstellar space with no star, no orbit, and no system. It has been alone in the dark for longer than Earth has existed. And in 2026, the James Webb Space Telescope detected something coming from it with no explanation. Heat, not from a star, not from anything outside it, from inside. Rogue planets are not new to science. Astronomers have cataloged dozens of them over the past decade. Worlds ejected from their solar systems by gravitational collisions, sent tumbling into the void with nothing to orbit and nothing to warm them. They are expected to be frozen, dead, temperatures close to absolute zero, surfaces locked under ice for billions of years. That is what physics predicts for a world that has spent eternity this far from any star. Cold, dark, and finished a very long time ago. This one is different. Webb's infrared instruments detected a thermal signature rising from beneath the surface of this object. Not residual warmth from a recent ejection. The age of the planet rules that out entirely. Not tidal heating from a nearby body. There is no nearby body within any relevant distance. Not radioactive decay at levels that could account for what the sensors are reading. The numbers do not fit any of the standard models. Something inside this planet is generating heat in a place where nothing should be generating anything at all. The surface of this rogue world sits at temperatures that would freeze any atmosphere instantly. There are no seasons, no tides, no light from any direction. The nearest star is light years away and contributes nothing measurable. Whatever is happening from within, in the deep interior of a world that has been completely isolated in total darkness for billions of years, and it has not cooled down. It is still warm right now, today, as you are watching this. Scientists do not have a confirmed mechanism. The leading hypothesis involves exotic geological processes driven by an unusually high concentration of long-lived radioactive isotopes locked in the planet's core, releasing heat on timescales that far exceed normal planetary cooling curves. But the thermal readings are too strong for that model alone. The output exceeds what isotope decay can predict by a margin that demands a second explanation, and right now there is none on the table. What makes this discovery genuinely difficult to sit with is not the heat itself. It is what the heat implies. A planet does not stay warm for billions of years in complete isolation without a reason. Something is powering it. Something inside a world that has seen no sunlight, no stellar wind, no external energy input of any kind is still running, still producing, still pushing heat toward a surface that has been frozen in darkness since before our solar system fully formed. We found it because Webb was pointed somewhere else entirely. It was surveying a region of interstellar space for dust distribution data when the thermal signature appeared in a place where nothing was supposed to be. A warm object in a cold and empty void. No star, no system, no explanation. Alone in the dark. And still running after all this time.